Work with style and professionalism. Upgrade from traditional manual estimates to professional estimates. Presenting a new feature in MasterStrokes app, Estimate Builder. With this new feature, you will be able to generate a simple or detailed estimate and share the PDF copy of the same via WhatsApp to the client. Let's understand how to use this feature. On the home page, click on Estimate Builder icon. Here, there are two options: Create Simple Estimate and Create Detailed Estimate. A simple estimate is for those contractors who take up painting job on a lump sum basis. This can be generated quickly by providing only few inputs. Upon clicking Create Simple Estimate, a list of details will be displayed on screen. To build an estimate, fill all the details such as customer name, customer mobile number, customer address, work type, labor or labor plus material, paintable area and total amount. There is also an option to add painting system. For example, number of coats and product name such as primer, putty and top coat. After adding all the necessary details, click on Preview. Estimate ID and all the details filled by you will appear in Preview. You can cross-check the details and then generate PDF. Download the PDF and share it with the client. Similarly, to create detailed estimate, click on Create Detailed Estimate and fill all the customer details. Select the work type and add surfaces. To add surface, select the surface type from the drop-down and enter surface details, area, rate per square feet. Total amount will be calculated automatically. There is also an option to add painting system along with the number of coats and product name. Click on Add to add the details. You can also add as many surfaces as you want. Add another surface by clicking on Add Surface. There is also an option to add bank details. Click on Add Bank Details to fill up the detail. In case if there are any other charges or discount to be added in the estimate, that can also be added in the respective fields. After filling all the necessary details, click on Preview and generate PDF and download to share it with client. Similar to Simple Estimate, this PDF will also have all the information entered such as customer details, work type, surface, area, rate, amount, painting system details, bank details and terms and conditions. The PDF also has a link to profile page of contractor listed in Contractor Finder portal. This is applicable only for listed contractors. You can also sort and filter the estimates and PDFs. Make optimum use of the MS app and achieve success in your business.